Hello everyone. I am Rugved Suryawanshi from CS5 division. I will be explaining to you the file operations and detection of duplicate files. What are file operations? They are the basic actions in programming where you can perform operations like reading, writing, deleting, or renaming a file. File operations are a crucial part of programming as they save your data persistently, manage your app settings, then they can exchange information too. You will often find use of file modes like R for reading, W for writing, A for appending, etc. And file paths which often points to certain locations, your C drive, your E drive, etc. So next we will come to common file operations. The first one being creating the files. So in Python, we can open a file using open, then file name, and the command which needs to be written. So here we can take example of W, which represents write. So below is the example given. You can see it. So next we have reading and writing the file. So now to read a file, we open it in the R way, and the syntax for it is simple read with circular brackets. To get so it is used to get the content. The file pointer moves as we read. So next to write, we can use A or W for which represents append and write respectively. In this way, we can store or update data in file as needed. So next one is deleting the files and renaming them. So to delete a file, we use a command called as os.remove with circular brackets, and it frees up your storage. To rename a file, we use os.rename or os.rename with circular brackets. Both actions require error handling, and in case the file doesn't exist, we need error handling. Next one is duplicate files. So, to the introductory part, duplicate files are the unnecessary copies of the same file. They can be created due to repeated downloads or saving attachments multiple times or backup mismanagement. The waste the storage, slow down your performance of your CPU, complicate the management. So how to detect them? So there are certain methods below. So the first one is the size comparison. It is quick but not always reliable. Then we have file content comparison. So byte by byte accurate. It is accurate but it's very slow. Then we have hashing. It is very efficient. Uses functions like MD5 or SHA-256 to generate a unique fingerprint of a file. Metadata comparison. It is very much fast but not that reliable as metadata keeps on changing. So hashing, especially SHA-256, strikes down a good balance between speed and accuracy. So next we have design, how to design a program. So a simple program to detect duplicate files. So first one is scan your directory, then calculate the hashes using the SHA-256 as mentioned before. Then you can store them with file paths, compare the hashes, confirm with byte comparison. It is optional step. It is just for your sake of understanding that it is as efficient as the byte comparison, but it is quite faster as in comparison. And finally, report the duplicates to the respective authorities. We use os.walk with the circular brackets for traversing the directory and the dictionary to store hashes. This makes the detection efficient and accurate. So next one is the optimization. So for a large data set, we can optimize using chunk reading, multi-threading, or multiprocessing, storing data in databases for incremental processing. So to finally conclude, file operations are fundamental in programming. Duplicate files waste our space, they affect our performance, but with techniques like hashing, we can definitely detect them and clean them up. Always, it is recommended to organize your files, run a regular check for duplicates. So to conclude, if you have any questions regarding file operations and duplicate files, please message me below. You can comment down here in YouTube link. You can also personally contact me via email, via my phone number. So thank you for listening, and it will be nice further to join with you. So thank you.